Hello everybody, welcome to my brand new video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to recover deleted text message in your Android phone. If you want to recover your deleted text message, you can watch this video. For doing this, just go to Play Store and I will show you step by step. If you just follow my step, I can tell you openly that you can recover it. So whenever you come here, and you will find here such kind of interface, and click on search box and just find here this application SMS backup and restore. So whenever you search here, then you will find this application. Follow this company name and logo. If you think it's okay, then everything is okay. So just click on here install, and right now it is installing, and just wait a second, it will be installed. So when it is installing, I'm gonna tell a matter, that is, if you delete your text, unfortunately you can recover it. So watch it very carefully. So whenever you completed your installation, just click on here open. Right now it's opening, and here is the most important, and watch very carefully, don't do any kind of mistake. So click on here at the bottom of the side, get started, and click on allow, then SMS and restore backup, you need to access it, then again click on allow, then click on allow. Alright, so after clicking on this allow, then click on here set up a backup. Then two option, one is message, another is call log. Two is automatically given, but switch off call logs. Then click on at the bottom of the side, you can find a next option, click on next. Then where you want to get back your message, Google Drive, Dropbox, OneDrive, your phone. So I'm going to get it in my phone, so I just select in phone. Then click on here, that is okay. Then click on here again next option, and select here don't remind me. Then you can backup it monthly, hourly and weekly. So if you want to do more, you can click on here advanced option, but I'm doing it weekly. All right, then click on here backup now, and you can see here my all the text is backupping, and it's 11,000 texts. Right now you can see here that is backup is completed. So I have done one step. Right now I'm going to show you main step, that is how to recover or restore. So just click on here three dot line, next click on here restore. All right, this is most important. So why do you want to restore it? You can see here I'm going to restore it on the local backup location. Then select just message, don't select call logs, you don't need it. Then clicking on restore. Right now click on OK. You can see here I restore on my all the message here in messages. So you can see here. So if you want to restore it, you have to make it set as a default. So I'm making it set as a default. Right now again it's restoring all the messages.